West Bengal, 8 phases. Last time it was 7. West Bengal, first phase, 30 ACs. Issue of notification, 2nd March. Last date of nominations, 9th March. Scrutiny of nomination, 10th March. Withdrawal of candidature, 12th March. Date of poll, 27th March. And those 5 districts are Purulia, Bankura, Jhargram, Paschim Midnapur Part 1, Purvo Midnapur Part 1. Second phase, again 30 assembly constituencies. Issue of notification, 5th March. Last date of nominations, 12th March. Scrutiny of nominations, 15th March. Last date of withdrawal, 17th March. Date of poll, 1st April. And the districts covered are Bankura Part 2, Paschim Midnapur Part 2, Purvo Midnapur Part 2, South 24 Pargana Part 1. Third phase, 31 assembly constituencies. Issue of notification, 12th March. Last date of nominations, 19th March. Scrutiny of nominations, 20th March. Last date of withdrawal, 22nd March. Date of poll, 6th April. Phase 4, 44 constituencies. Issue of notification, 16th March. Last date of nominations, 23rd March. Scrutiny of nomination, 24th March. Last date of withdrawal, 26th March. Date of poll, 10th April. The districts covered are Howrah Part 2, Hooghly Part 2, South Pargana Part 3, Alipurdar, all the 5 assembly constituencies, Cooch Behar, all the 9 assembly constituencies. Fifth phase, 45 assembly constituencies. Issue of notification, 23rd March. Last day of nomination, 30th March. Scrutiny, 31st March. Last date of withdrawal, 3rd April. Date of poll, 17th April. The districts covered are North Pargana, Part 1, Nadia, Part 1, Purbo Bardhaman, Part 1, Darjeeling, complete, all the 5 constituencies, Kalimpong, 1 constituency, complete, Jalpaiguri, all the 7 constituencies. Phase 6, 43 constituencies. Issue of notification, 26th March. Last date of nomination, 3rd April. Scrutiny of nominations, 5th April. Last date of withdrawal, 7th April. Date of poll, 22nd April. North Pargana Part 2, Nadia Part 2, Purbo Bardhaman, all 8, and Uttar Dinajpur, all 9. 7th phase, 36 assembly constituencies. Issue of notification, 31st March. Last date, 7th April. Scrutiny of nominations, 8th April. Last date of withdrawal, 12th April. Date of poll, 26th April. And the districts covered are Malda, Part 1, Murshidabad, Part 1, Paschim Bardhaman, all 9 ACs, Kolkata South, all 4 ACs, Dakshin Dinajpur, all 6 ACs. Last phase, issue of notification, 31st March. In all 35 constituencies, issue of notifications, 31st March. Last date of nominations, 7th April. Scrutiny of nominations, 18th April. Last date of withdrawal of candidature, 12th April. Date of poll, 29th April. And the districts covered are Malda Part 2, Murshidabad Part 2, Birbhum, all 11 assembly constituencies, Calcutta North, all 7 assembly constituencies. As I said in the beginning only, the counting shall be done on 2nd May 2021.